me introduce myself. My name is Revalina Aprilia. In this video, I want to tell you about the ownership structure. Okay, let's watch the video. Ownership structure is a fundamental element of corporate governance as it affects how the company is controlled, how strategy decisions are made, and how the right and interest of shareholders are defined. The ownership structure can vary depending on the business model, regulation, and the company strategy to maintaining stability and operational efficiency. A clear and transparent ownership structure is essential as it can affect management efficiency, access to funding, and the risk of conflict of interest between shareholder and management. A deep understanding of the ownership structure also help in analyzing how to controlling power of the company is distributed and its impact on the company performance. A company ownership structure also refers to the patterns of share ownership within the business entity, which reflect who has control right over the company and how these rights are distributed among shareholders. In general, ownership structure reflect the relationship between one controlling shareholder, the party that has control over the company decision, usually through majority ownership of share or greater voting right. To minority shareholder, those who have smaller shareholding are often have limited influence over the company's strategic discussion. 3. Company management. The executive team responsible for the day-to-day operation of the company but may be controlled by certain shareholders. In the context of corporate governance, ownership structure play an important role in determining monitoring machine and potential conflict of interest between shareholder and management. Real types of ownership structure. 1. Based on the concentration of the ownership, there are several types of ownership structure including scattered ownership and concentrated ownership. 2. Based on the type of shareholder, there are several types of ownership structure including family ownership, institutional ownership, state ownership, and foreign ownerships. Next material is implication of ownership structure to the company. 1. Influence on corporate governance. 2. Influence on company performance. 3. Effect on financial risk. So overall, ownership structure is an important aspect of corporate governance that determines how a company is controlled, supervised, and developed. Different forms of ownership have their own advantage and challenges, so there is no one-size-fits-all model. Choosing the right ownership structure depends on factors such as the scale of the business, industry regulation, as well as the company's strategic objective. Therefore, a good understanding of the ownership structure can help stakeholders make wiser decisions both in terms of investment and business management. That was the explanation of the ownership structures. Hopefully useful and see